In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a cute tote bag from canvas in just 5 minutes. This quick and satisfying DIY project is perfect for anyone who loves adding a personal touch to their everyday accessories. We'll start by designing your tote bag using Canva, an amazing online tool for creating beautiful custom designs, even if you're not a professional designer. First, open your web browser and go to Canva's website. In the search bar, type cute tote bag design. Canva will instantly show you a wide range of ready-made templates. This is where the fun begins. Take your time scrolling through the designs and notice the ones that catch your eye. Look at the colors, patterns, and overall vibe. Your tote bag should reflect your unique style, so pick something that really represents you. Once you've found a template you love, click on it and select Customize this template. Canva will open it in a new editing window. And this is your creative playground. Here, you can personalize everything. Click on any text to replace it with your own name, a short quote, or maybe a fun phrase that makes your bag stand out. Canva offers hundreds of fonts, so don't hesitate to experiment with size, style, and color until it looks just right. If you like, you can also add small illustrations, shapes, or icons to give your tote bag even more personality. But remember, simplicity often makes a design more striking. A clean, thoughtful layout will always look more elegant than something overcrowded. When you're happy with your design, it's time to bring it to life. You can download the file and send it to a local printing shop to have it printed directly onto a canvas tote bag. Or, if you enjoy hands-on crafts, print the design on transfer paper and iron it onto the bag yourself. It's easy, fun, and gives your tote a handmade charm. And there you will have it. Your very own cute and customized canvas tote bag, ready to show off or gift to someone special. Not only is it a stylish accessory, but it's also something you made with your own creativity and care. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this DIY tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Happy crafting, and I'll see you in the next one.